A mesh extender brings powerful Wi-Fi 7 coverage to the hard-to-reach corners of your home. Watch and learn how to set it up in just a few easy steps. Not every home needs a mesh extender, but if you've got a Wi-Fi dead zone, a weak signal far from your router, or a heavy use setup like gaming or working from home, it can make a big difference. First, plug your mesh extender into a power outlet. You can either pair your extender using an Ethernet cable or go wireless. Make sure it's no more than 3 to 6 feet from your router. For wireless pairing, just wait for the extender to power on, and you'll see a solid white light. This can take up to 3 minutes. Next, press and release the WPS button on your router. Then do the same with your mesh extender. While they're pairing, the lights will blink. Once everything's connected, the extender's light will turn solid green. This can take up to 4 minutes. Now that your mesh extender is connected, let's make sure you're getting the full power of Wi-Fi 7. For the best performance, place it halfway between your router and the area that needs a boost. Not sure where that is? Use the GFiber app to find the optimal spot in your home. Once you've decided on a placement, plug it in, and it'll connect automatically. When the light turns solid green, you're all set. If it turns red, just move it closer to the router and try again. Need help? Reach out through the Google Fiber app. You can troubleshoot your internet, manage your account, and contact customer service all right in the app. Or visit fiber.google.com/support. If social media is more your thing, just send us a message on your favorite platform.